Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see how many streams a song has on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. So if I go to a music, it's not going to like directly show me the number of stream. As you guys can see, the music by Selena Gomez, Justin Bieber, none of this is showing me the number of stream it has. But there is a way through which you guys can see it. And remember, this thing is only going to work on the browser version of Spotify. It's not going to work on the app. So you want to be on the browser version of Spotify. For that, you just want to search for Spotify and click on the first option. And it's going to ask you to log in into your Spotify account. Once you log in into your Spotify account, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, once you're in this page, at the side, you want to click on search. Search for the song whose streaming number you want to see. So let's say I want to see the streaming number of the song of Selena Gomez. So I'm just going to search for Selena Gomez. And as you guys can see, it shows me Selena Gomez. If I click on her, it's going to take me into her profile, and just like this, it shows me the number of streams her song has. Calm Down has this much, Single Soon has this much, Lose You to Love Me has this much. Just like this. You need to search for the profile of the songwriter and go inside there to how many streams the song has. And remember, the song needs to have like more than 10,000 streams, because if it has less than that, it's going to show you nothing. It's going to show you empty numbers. So keep that in mind. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.